There she blows, matey. We're setting sail on the NFT open seas, travel the globe. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Jesse Tyler Ridgway. Today, we're looking at how to buy an NFT on the open sea. Look, me shirty is like the NFT, or wait, no. It's like the ocean or something, I don't know. Had a wee bit too much the sea rum. You guys gotta subscribe for the intros and regular content. This is my favorite part about the videos, kicking it off with me Hook. Kick it off with me Captain Hook. But guys, for those who have not seen my previous video on NFTs, please be sure to watch that. If not, let me break it down for you real quick. An NFT is actually a non-fungible token. Basically, think like a piece of art, but digital, that exists onto the blockchain. Now, what non-fungible means is it can't be duplicated. It is direct ownership tied to this asset, and you can transfer it. People can buy an NFT with cryptocurrency, and you can even attach unlockables. So say you have the 1 out of 1 art collectible, say Big Bird over here. You can mint Big Bird as an NFT. There's only one of its kind, and you could set an auction price to this thing, and people can bid on it with Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. Once you own Big Bird, you own the original Big Bird. Nobody can take it away from you. You can get royalties on if some other people try to sell your Big Bird or use your Big Bird. I don't know why I picked Big Bird, and now it's sounding weird. But the big appeal is for artists to finally get decent compensation for their work, and also there's an authenticity tied to the blockchain that you can't duplicate it. It's not, that's what, you can't funge it. You can't fungible it. It's non-fungible. So this fake over here, that is fun. That's fungible? That's it fungibled the real one. So the real one is fungible, but technically, anyway. I wanted to do a tutorial video breaking down how to buy one of these things on the OpenSea. Now, OpenSea is actually one of the largest NFT marketplaces. You can go on, you can see, I'll show all the rankings here. There's all kinds of crazy pieces of art, 3D objects, access to different exclusive perks and things. It's really cool once you start exploring around. Why I wanted to do a video breaking this down is, guys, you're hearing it first on the Jesse Tyler channel. I'm coming out with my own NFT. I don't want to get into the specifics, but I want to make sure that all the hodlers out there, the dogelers, the juggies from the McJarranane's channel, I hope all you guys watch this video so you can understand, so you're prepared for when I release this NFT, you can access it quickly and be the first to bid on something that, mark my words, will be one of the biggest sales on the internet in the NFT space and has never been done before. Will people do it after us? Maybe, but let's just say we got a spicy one. So I'm gonna go little Jesse mode.
Oh my god, don't shrink me! I'm small now. Here's the computer screen.
I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how to first buy some cryptocurrency if you've never done this before in your life, how to get a MetaMask wallet and move your crypto to that, and lastly, hook up your MetaMask wallet or wallet of your choice to OpenSea so that you can start bidding on NFTs and buying your priceless art. So the first step is you need to find an exchange. Crypto's exchanges could be Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, Binance US. There's a whole multitude of exchanges. However, in the interest of time, you want to make sure that you're signed up on one that you can access your bank account and your money quickly, and that you're able to get your cryptocurrency off the exchange and over into a wallet. Robinhood, for example, allows you to buy cryptocurrency. However, you can't send crypto outside of Robinhood, is what you need to do. Coinbase, it might be tricky because when your first few buys, they actually make it so that you can't move it out of wallet for some time. I think Binance US has a wait time too to allow cash deposits and withdrawals and stuff. So maybe Kraken or Gemini is your best bet for this. I still recommend Coinbase. It's just in the interest of time because we're coming out with this NFT soon. I would sign up on all of them. But we're gonna show you guys Coinbase. So most of these exchanges, you can find them on the App Store. Coinbase has their own app that you can sign up on, or you can go on the web, coinbase.com, kraken.com, etc. And basically, you're gonna sign up and make an account. You know, pick your username, your password, all that jazz. Once you're officially signed up on Coinbase, this will be the screen. Oh, whoa, I got 3 pennies. You know, it's sad when most of my money is on a roulette gambling website than in the actual exchange. Everyone watching the finance channel is now like, I am not listening to this dude. He has 3 pennies to his portfolio. How did I go up? Apparently I earned 3 pennies like a couple weeks ago for something. I don't know what I did. So once you have your Coinbase account, make sure that your bank account, your debit card, whatever you're using to buy cryptocurrency is linked to this. And then once it's linked, you're gonna buy some crypto. Look at that. Shout out to the hodlers right there. I got that price set up right there on the main screen. So different NFT marketplaces use different cryptocurrency. We're gonna be using Ethereum. Ethereum's pretty widespread. It's pretty commonly commonly used, so you can't go wrong with ETH. So we're gonna buy some Ethereum right now. So just go over to trade. You can literally just put however much you want. I'm gonna put in, let's say $1,000. We're gonna preview the buy right now. And this will tell you all the details. It'll tell you at what price you're buying at, how much ETH you're gonna have, how much to purchase. Coinbase will take a fee out of this, and I can buy now. Oh, look at this. And it's, oh, thank you, Coinbase. I don't know, it's because I've been around for a while or what, but Coinbase is allowing me to send my Ethereum. It says you can send the full amount instantly. So I'm gonna click buy now. Oh, and would you look at that? That's so weird. I just did a video on Uniswap talking about how the price is gonna go up, and it's up while everything else is down, huh? Okay, so that's a simple step on how to buy cryptocurrency. It's pretty basic. It's like buying a stock. It's like buying anything. You link your purchase information, and then you purchase it. It's like Amazon. Now this is where things get interesting. After you do that, you're then gonna type in MetaMask. Don't, I just spelled a bad word there. Don't do that. You're gonna find MetaMask. Hopefully it's this website, you don't get the wrong one. What MetaMask is, it's a digital wallet. So think that the wallet you have in the back of your pants right now, or the one that I stole off you, think of the digital version of that. Basically it just stores all your cryptocurrency assets. The cool thing about MetaMask is it's a third-party Chrome extension. What that basically means is, well, how about I up and I'll show you. Oh, I didn't know you could get it for Firefox. Here, I thought it had to be just a Chrome party extension. Yo, they're doing big things here, guys. I'm gonna do it on Google Chrome because that's what I'm comfortable doing it with. Download for Chrome. See, here we go. It's this cute little fox. Add it to Chrome. Add extension. It's pretty much saying they want access to everything on this computer. Like, sure. But whoa! This reminds me of the OG computer days, guys. Look, if the fox follows your mouse around, it's the coolest thing ever. Anyway, we're getting sidetracked. So now it's gonna say if you already have a seed phrase. This is if you've already used MetaMask, which we're all assuming we haven't. We're actually gonna let's get set up. It's create a new wallet and a seed phrase. I'm not gonna show you that, guys. Just understand your seed phrase is pretty much like your password. It's actually more important than that. If somebody gets your seed phrase, they can literally access your entire wallet. And if you have money on that cryptocurrency wallet, they have your seed phrase, they're gonna get everything. So guard this seed phrase with your life. Get it in miniature tattoos all over your body in different locations. Write it on one slip of paper. Spread all the words out on different pieces of paper. Rip it up. Bury it across the globe. You know, surgically insert it into your whatever. Get creative, by all means. Protect it. Keep it secret. Keep it safe. Token swapping is here. All right, look, there's our unicorn friends. 1 inch. Hey, stop talking about me. So we're gonna click start swapping. So here we go. This is a little MetaMask interface here. If I close all this out, my Chrome extensions should be right here. Boom, look at that, shows up. We're gonna make sure that that gets blurred out. That's the wallet address. Whoever's editing this video, don't take all my money. I have $0 in here. Blur that out, editors. So this is our official MetaMask wallet. This is exciting. We're in there. Now what we gotta do, this is the part you really don't wanna mess up, okay? See down here, it says Ethereum. You'll click into Ethereum, right? See buy, send, swap, all this jazz. We need to get our Ethereum over from Coinbase. So say the 3 pennies. Imagine I bought the $100, right? I'm gonna click into your Ethereum, click into our wallet here. So you'll come into here. Now it's pretty similar. I actually like doing it from phone over computer. It's all the same. I just do everything from phone these days. But notice down here where it says to mobile, email, or address. So you can send crypto to your friends if you have their email address, phone numbers. It's kind of like PayPal in a way, where you're sending these digital currencies. But we're actually gonna send it to another Ethereum address. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. It's actually not, but be careful. So come to your MetaMask. All you gotta do, hover your mouse over here. This is your wallet address, and just click that. Click that button. It just copied my wallet address in here. Then what we're gonna do, come in here, paste the wallet address. Once that wallet address is in there, you're gonna type how much Ethereum you wanna send that $1,000. Continue, bloody bloody, wham bam, thank you ma'am. All of a sudden, you check that MetaMask, your money's in there. Money has arrived. That $1,000 just traveled across the blockchain ethernets and is now in your MetaMask wallet. That's the hardest part. Pretty much it's all over. Now just understand, if it's not the exact amount that you sent, that's because the Ethereum network requires there to be a gas fee taken out, because Ether is a gas. And it might equal to $5, it might be $50. It depends on the day, it depends on how congested the network, how much you're sending, a whole bunch of factors. You can even adjust the speeds once you start using MetaMask more to decide how quickly you want it there. How much does it get prioritized with other transactions in the network? So, all right, you paid your little fee, you got your money in, now let's go to the OpenSeas. I'm gonna go to OpenSea.io. This is all crazy. It's not .coms, guys, there's .ios for a lot of crypto stuff. So here's the main page here. Oh, you can buy a horse. Crypto corgis, look at the, aw. Look, they got some of this animated art. It's crazy. Ooh, so this looks pretty pixely. That's a bad word. I don't like bedtime girl. What is it? So you can even buy domain names, trading cards, collectibles. Let's see what kind of collectibles we got. Let's check out these CryptoPunks. Now, believe it or not, some of these CryptoPunks are selling for tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't ask me why. I really don't know. This is the hype bubble we're in currently. All right, so let's take Homeboy here. And is he for sale? Can I get him? So there's been some bids. You can see here, there's some bids, years ago. Look at these rankings. See, CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks, 7-day change, down 53. What is going on? You can get chubbies. Let's get some. I'm about to get a chubby over here. So we're on OpenSea on Chrome here. What we're gonna do is we gotta attach our wallet to OpenSea. So you come down over here to account settings. See, sign into your wallet. You click sign in. Little fox will pop up. There's my little wallet you guys saw. Just imagine there's some ETH in there. Next, go for it. Sign your soul away. Sign, sign, sign. Accept. We're in. So this wallet is now connected to this account on OpenSea. I can come up with a username, you know, JTR, whatever we want here. And this is our now bidding account. So let's go back to the chubbies. Now this is where we're gonna see. Look at all these little friends. Oh, that one's in a banana suit. No, chicken. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is a whole bundle of chubbies here. You got a monkey, a bear, a chicken man, a fox, 2 chickens. You get 2 chickens for the price of $200,000. Why? This pack includes 5 chubbies looking for a home. All chubbies deserve a home. Adopt this family of 5 today and be the chubbiest household on the block. Note, food and love sold separately. Now that my wallet's connected, I don't have $200,000, but I can come in here, buy bundle. Notice it is going for 111 ETH. So everything's in cryptocurrency. That's why I needed to do a tutorial for you guys. It's not as simple as just hooking your bank account and stuff. There is a little bit of barriers to entry. You have to have some crypto knowledge, and hopefully this all makes sense. So you have to have bought the crypto, moved it, to then be able to buy some of these crypto blockchain NFTs. So I don't have enough money here. If I did, I could buy this-ish, check out, whatever. It's saying I need to add some funds. We're not actually gonna buy this thing. You gotta be out your mind. I don't know who's spending this kind of money on this. I can even make an offer here. You can even use stable coins. We're using ETH. And I can, now don't worry about the W in front of the ETH. That means it's wrapped ETH, and they'll do that behind the scenes in the process. So I can put an offer here, whatever. I hope all that makes sense. Let me know any questions in the comments below. And I wanted to really go over all this, guys, because the NFT is going to be launching soon. I want to make sure everyone out there has access to this. They can get their funds ready, get any of the crypto assets moved. Because trust me, you're going to want to get your hands on what we're about to be selling. And I'll tell you what, as far as, will it be much more reasonably priced than this? Yes, to start. But the bidding could go high. Some of these auctions will last 5 days, 7 days, 10 days. It's really up to the seller how long they want to list it for. It's literally like eBay, but for these crazy digital collectibles. Anyway, guys, I hope you learned something. Make sure you drop some likes in this video. Let me know any kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. Also, be sure to subscribe and let me know how pumped you are for Jesse Tyler Ridgway NFT. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel, McJuggernuggets, if you're not already, because we're going to be announcing all the details over on there, because this is a big deal. This goes beyond digital art. I wish I could say more, but you'll hear from me on the main channel soon. But guys, good luck, happy bidding, go buy some chubbies or CryptoPunks or whatever, and let's get minted. Call me when you're serious. And dude, I'm hating on the chubbies right now, but you could buy that 200 grand chubby, and for all we know, a year from now, them chubbies are worth $1 million. Like, that's the craziness that's been happening in the NFT space. Could you imagine if somebody had an NFT that, like, yeah, it was like a cool piece of art, but imagine not only did you get the Mona Lisa on an NFT, but you also got the museum that it's in. Now that's interesting.